let's go ahead and complete the game state machine. So we're going to go ahead and do the draw, update, and handle event methods. Okay, so let's go ahead, public void, and we want to create the draw method that in essence will delegate the draw into the current state. One of the nicest thing about this package's implementation is that the state machine doesn't do any decision making based on its current state. It instead delegates the operations to its current state. So when we draw, we actually let the current state draw. Now let's be a little bit defensive and make sure that we do have a current state on which to draw. So if we don't have a current state, we're simply going to stop and not draw anything. Otherwise, we are going to call the onDraw method of our current state. Seems that we forgot to specify the owner. Unlike the state machine that only takes a sprite badge, the states themselves take a reference to the owner, just in case they need to call any of the methods that are in the owner. Okay, so we have the draw. Let's go ahead and do the update. And all these methods are public, so void update. And oh, we forgot, we made a mistake there, so it should be draw, not onDraw. Let's go ahead and do the update method. Again, we're passing the game time so that we can do anything we might need to with the game time object of FSM. Don't forget to include it. Once again, it's a good idea to make sure that you do have a current state. If the current state is null and you try to update it, you might run into an exception. So it's always good to make sure that you do have a current state on which to update. And if you don't, you just simply don't perform the operation. Okay. So we got the draw, we got the update. Now let's go ahead and do the handle event method. And again, much like the first two, all this is going to do is it's going to delegate the handling of the events to the current state. Again, so now we simply call the current state on event and pass the owner and the event that we received. Okay, that should do for those methods. Now let's take a moment and document the methods was created for the state machine so that later on we remember what exactly we did. Just take a moment and go ahead and do that. that completes implementation of our if state machine class. The beauty of this class is that it's reusable, so you can go ahead and grab this exact same implementation and use it in any of your following games, not just this one. Okay, so we got the game state machine, we got the game state and the event class. Later on we'll be working on the actual implementation of the states.